Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Word on your MacBook. Step 1. Open the App Store. Click on the App Store icon in your dock or search for it using Spotlight. Just press Command Space and search App Store. Now, Step 2. Search for Microsoft Word. In the search bar at the top left corner, type Microsoft Word. You'll see it appear under top results with the official Microsoft logo. So this is the app. Step 3. Download the app. Click the Get button, or this one if you have downloaded it before, then click Install. So you might be asked to enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID to confirm. And the download may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 4. Open Microsoft Word. Once it's installed, click Open, this one, or find Word in your Applications folder or Launchpad. So here's your Launchpad and Microsoft Word. Now you have opened Microsoft Word and downloaded. But when Word opens for the first time, you'll be asked to sign in with a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, click Create One, it's free. You can use Word in limited mode or free. Start a free 1-month trial of Microsoft 365 for full access. If you don't want to install it, you can use Word for free online at www.office.com. So no download needed. So that's it. You've now downloaded and installed Microsoft Word on your MacBook using the App Store. Safe, easy, and beginner-friendly. Thank you for watching.